So here's where the dad's 350C was being stored in his house, and we're gonna remove it before the hurricane comes through. Dad had all his tractors over here. We threw the tools down on the ground. This is about 10 a.m. before on Thursday before Hurricane Milton hits. Right, Mike?
Yeah. Whenever we're gonna start.
Whatever. It's a nice big yard. And he had built this place where Dad would hang out and sip his coffee and with his dog Deidre. And they would check things out. And she would run around the yard. But anyways, here we are.